Hi, I'm Dr. Kavya Priya Vajrala. I'm consultant gynecologist, laparoscopic surgeon and infertility specialist at Yashoda Hospitals, Somajiguda. Today I'm here to talk about cervical screening, symptoms and also its prevention, as January of every year is Cervical Cancer Awareness Month. So coming to the symptoms can be like intermenstrual spotting, that is in between periods, two regular periods there can be a spotting which can be suspicious of a cervical cancer, and it is applied only to the age group who are like sexually active. And the other symptom can be postcoital bleeding, that is after the intercourse is over the women can have painless bleeding or spotting, which is an alarming sign, and the woman has to rush to the gynecologist for a proper screening. And sometimes if the cancer is fully blown, it can be like a profuse vaginal bleeding which will be foul smelling, and also there can be associated white discharge. So these are all about the symptoms. And coming to the screening methods, the screening will be starting from the age of 21 years, and from 21 to 29 years the screening method what we use is the cytology with the pap smear, and this is recommended for every 3 years. And from 30 to 65 years the screening can be with the cytology for every 3 years with the pap smear, or with the FDA approved high risk HPV screening. This can be done every 5th year, and sometimes it can be the co-testing which is having this HR HPV testing and also with the pap smear. This is also recommended for every 5 years. After 65 years there is no necessity of screening, and also below 21 years there is no necessity of the screening. And coming to the vaccination part, the vaccination is like above 15 years and below 15 years. Below 15 years it is 2 dosed, that is 6 months apart, and both boys and also girls have to be vaccinated. And after 15 years it is 3 dose regime, that is 0 dose, next is 1 to 2 monthly dose, and the third dose can be 6 months later. If you are missing any of the dosages, you can repeat it in 1 year. This is all about the vaccination. And the advanced vaccine which is available now is the nanovalent vaccine. The commercial name is Gardasil 9. Everyone can be vaccinated with this.